Your brain is rotting right now. While you watch this video, scientists just proved it. They studied over 100,000 people, and what they found is scary. Every time you scroll TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, your brain physically changes, and not in a good way. Brain rot isn't just a funny word anymore. It's real, and it's happening to millions of young people right now. Let me show you what's happening to your brain. When you open TikTok or Instagram, you think you'll scroll for 5 minutes, but suddenly it's 3 hours later, and you can't even remember what you watched. Sound familiar? Here's why. Every time you see a new video, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. It feels good, so you want more and more and more. Your brain becomes addicted to quick, easy content, just like drugs or alcohol. And scientists just discovered something even worse. They scanned the brains of people who scroll for hours every day. Their brains looked different, actually smaller in some areas. The parts of your brain that help you focus, remember things, and make good decisions were shrinking. A new study just came out in 2025. It reviewed 71 different research studies, over 100,000 people total. The results shocked everyone. People who watch too many short videos have worse memory, can't focus on anything, sleep problems, and more anxiety and depression. One student said, "I used to love reading books. Now I can't even finish one page without checking my phone." Another person said, "I feel like my brain is foggy all the time. I can't think clearly anymore." Scientists even have a name for it: zombie scrolling. You're awake, but your brain is basically off. And Gen Z spends an average of 6 hours per day on social media. That's a quarter of your entire life gone. Here's the scariest part. Your brain is still growing until you're 25 years old. If you're under 25, your brain is building itself right now. And all this scrolling is changing how your brain gets built. It's like building a house with a broken foundation. Once it's built wrong, it's hard to fix later. Scientists found that young people who grew up with phones have shorter attention spans than goldfish, can't focus on slow, deep learning, struggle to solve hard problems, and have trouble connecting with real people. Your brain is being trained to only enjoy quick, easy, fast content. Everything else feels boring. That's why school feels hard, why books feel impossible, why real conversations feel awkward. Your brain is literally being rewired to need constant stimulation. But here's the good news. Your brain can heal. Scientists proved it. When people stopped scrolling for just 2 weeks, their brains started working better again. You can fix this. Set screen time limits, delete apps you don't need, do things in real life, read books, talk to real people. If this scared you even a little bit, hit subscribe. I'm making more videos about your brain and how to protect it. And comment below, how many hours do you scroll per day? Be honest. Let's see if you have brain rot. Share this with a friend who needs to see it. Your brain is worth protecting.